Hi, I'm Rachel. I'm going to show you how easy it is to move furniture on wood floors or any hard surface with Slipstick's furniture sliders. They come in 4 different sizes for small and large furniture. Each disc has a firm felt side for sliding and foam pad for the foot of the furniture to embed into. They are perfect for the home or office and work on all types of furniture. It's as simple as place underneath and slide. The smallest slider used under this sofa is a 2¼ inch or 58mm in size and easily moves the furniture without damaging the floor. It's so small in size it can be left under the furniture permanently and is hardly seen. The next size up is 3½ inches or 89mm and makes this cabinet a breeze to move. The 5-inch or 127mm slider handles this fridge no problem at all. With 2 rear wheels and Slipstick sliders on the front 2 feet, it slides in and out without scratching the floor. The largest slider is nearly 10 by 6 inches in size and can handle fridges, bookcases, cabinets. No need to remove the content. Slipstick furniture sliders also come in a combination pack for carpet and wood floors, and all sliders are backed by our 5-year warranty. All Slipstick furniture sliders are rated at 1,000 pounds or 450 kilos per set of 4 and are reusable over and over again.